So we're trading, guys. Aqua Grill 95. I don't know what he wants. So he wants a Unix. So what do I give you? I'm not trying to rip him off. So let me. Does he have this? Here. What do you want? What do I give him? Do I give him a Raikou? I don't want that. No wonder he wants a Kyogre. You want this, or what you want? Or a Groudon? Or a Leccaton? Guess he wants a Suicune, so I guess we're gonna do another Suicune. He wants a Suicune. Alright. What's the Suicune? Alright, I guess we're doing a Suicune, because I don't know what he wants, and yeah, so if he accepts it, then it's gonna be a Suicune. He wants a Rayquaza. I don't think I got Rayquazas. No, I don't got a Rayquaza. I got a Groudon. Okay, Suicune. Alright, I guess we're doing Suicune, because I don't know who's this person, so we're just going off basics. Alright, we're doing Suicune. There we go, guys. I was trying to get a lucky partner, you know, I just saw him online, so I gave him a battle invite, and we did Suicune, so hopefully I get a better one. I got a 93. 1674, is that alright, it's not that bad. It's around there. So that's like a 91, I want to say, or 93, somewhere around there. Attack is weak, but hey, it's not bad. I mean, I have another one, so can't complain. And alright, guys, that's pretty much it. Let me see. So if I calculate that, if it was gonna be 15 HP, it would be a 93. I know that for a fact. Or 91. I think it's an 89. So I'm gonna put 89. Yeah, so we did Suicune's, not bad. So there, finally got lucky trip with him, and that's pretty cool. So alright, and that took a while. They didn't know what he wanted. I didn't have a Rayquaza, so I would have gave him that. But yeah, you guys can see here. I think my same one. This is my max one, and yeah, see. So 93, so I'm guessing that's a 91 because of the difference. So but I put 89. This got Bumblebee, but I got another one, and all of these are from Japan. But yeah, so alright, guys, that's pretty much it. I didn't know where was that. I don't know where he is from, Aqua, but he sent me a gift, so let's accept it. And that's cool, man. So we just traded. And that's one long distance trade. So yesterday I was trying to do a trade, but there was no one online. So right now I'm checking whoever's online. Let me see. Can I just put online and it shows me people? No, it's just not. Yeah, cause I was going by gifts and I saw ex Lucy that's online, but I don't know if she wants to trade, but she didn't want to accept it, so I'll send her a game invite. I'll send her a battle, and then if she sees it, then I'll send her a tray and then see if I can get her, cause I don't know. She's not in Discord. I saw her over there by USC last time, or Exposition Park. I was doing a community event over there, cause I go to different community events. You know, Santa Monica Pier, Santa Monica, the parks or the over there. You guys will know what I mean. But yeah, as always, we got Sweet Coon and so not that bad. You know, I wanted to attack, but hey, whatever, man. Like, share, and subscribe, and we could make a power Gyarados, but not yet. I'm still wondering what is this, the 742, but like, share, and subscribe. Where's my other one at? Let me change the movesets. Where's my other one at? Oh, okay. Let's go by CP. So what's at for this one I got Ice Fang and Bumblebee, and this one got Water Pulse. Let's change the psychic move to water. So let's go to recent. Ice Fang. I think it's only gonna learn Ice Fang. Yeah, doesn't have a Snarl. Oh, that's Dark type. Nice. Yeah, so we'll just leave it Ice Fang. There we go. We'll leave it with Water Pulse, and that's pretty much it, guys. See you guys around, man. Like, share, subscribe, and yeah, Sweet Cool.